Safety and customer service is key for Toyota and Toyota of Owings Mills. We have many customers who come in every day, and some of our questions that they ask is, how do I install my car seat?
Did you hear a click? There you go.
Toyota put us in touch with Buckle Up for Life. And Buckle Up for Life was super excited to partner with us because we have so many great Toyota dealerships. And so we were connected with Maryland and Kids in Safety Seats, an amazing partner who's been able to provide all the technicians today for us in order to do this event.
You're going to hit clicks. Okay. And that lets me know that the retractor is on.
As a Toyota owner, I appreciate the services that they provide for this because, I mean, there's a lot of parents who, some people can't afford the seats, and for Toyota to really buy into this, we appreciate Toyota for that.
Perfect. Now,
obviously, safety is one of the most important things that we do. You know, everybody that gets into a car, they need to know that they are safe in that vehicle. And this event really just an extension of that. Making sure that when parents put their children into cars, that they are buckling them up safely in the child seats and the correct way.
Put one hand here, pull your arm towards the door.
We really believe in giving back to the community where our businesses are, where we live, where we work, and we are launching Mile One Cares, which is our new giving platform. And so this area in particular was where we wanted to start, especially because of our Toyota dealership right here. And so we're looking at initiatives where we can provide transportation safety to the community, such as car seat safety, distracted driving, transportation for patients in need, things that really we can give back to those communities that support our businesses, where our employees live and work and where our customers live and work.
But for kids, you want to pull it all the way out.
Today I got 3 free car seats. It was such a blessing that I could even get this because car seats are expensive. And preparing for 3 babies is really expensive and overwhelming. I never even heard of a dealership offering these services, so I think this was totally a big hit. They thoroughly went through everything, and I feel confident the babies will be okay in the car seats.